How to send view once photos or videos on Messenger. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily send a view once picture or video on Messenger app. But before we get started, I'd like you to head down below to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you're going to have to do is simply open up your Messenger app first. Now, if you want to create a new message, you're going to have to tap on this to search for a new chat, or you could just send the view once photo on existing chats. So let me just send this one on our group. So here I have a group created. To send a view once photo or video, what you're going to have to do first is tap on this camera icon and then simply take a picture or a video. So let me just take a quick picture like so. And to send this as a view once photos, what you're going to have to do, now you will see this option right here below that says view once. Just tap on it. And once this is turned on, all you have to do is tap on the send option. And as you can see here, you'll be able to send this view once photo. If you tap on it, and open it and close it, then it will be expired right away. So that's how you send a view once photo on Messenger. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.